how to plan your post-workout meal. Hi guys, this is Diksha Chhabra and welcome to my YouTube channel Diksha Chhabra Fitness. Every week I come up with one topic that I think is important for you to know if you're trying to incorporate a healthy lifestyle and exercising and dieting. So nutrition and exercise goes hand in hand, and we pick up one topic related to this and try to share as much as possible information. So today's topic is how to plan your post-workout meal. So whenever we are exercising, our body uses stored energy in the form of glycogen, which is stored in muscle, to perform certain exercises. Also, with weight training or any high intensity exercise, your muscles undergo tearing down, it's broken into small fragments, and that's how you develop muscle after the exercise, only when you provide a right nutrition. After exercise, our body drops down on glycogen level because it's all exhausted, and whatever food we are going to take should work directly to replenish your glycogen stores, to get into the work of repair and regrowth of your muscle tissues. So what are the two major macros which play this role? Definitely it is protein and carbs. So a right amount of protein supplementation is very important if you are exercising. If it is a high intensity exercise, or you are exercising with light weights or any kind of exercise, you need protein. There is no other macro which can help in muscle building. So post workout, an individual should take at least 25 to 30 grams of protein. Your body can absorb this much of protein at one point of time. So make sure that whatever meal that you're going to have should have enough sources of protein which can supply at least 25 to 30 grams of protein directly and immediately to your body. So what are the protein sources? Of course, non-veg, any kind of meat, eggs, paneer, these are class 1 source of protein. Other than that, whey protein is amazing because it's quickly absorbed. A lot of people have started fearing carbs, considering that it leads to fat gain and it increases your body fat percentage, but that's not completely correct. If carbs are taken smartly and intelligently, it will definitely help you to attain a better health. So if you are an endurance athlete, you are into high intensity workout, your carb requirement is more compared to somebody who's into bodybuilding or into strength training. But if carbs are taken post workout, it definitely helps you to restore your glycogen levels in the muscle tissue. So it's very simple to calculate. You can easily calculate carbs by considering a simple formula from 1 to 1.5 grams per body weight, per kg body weight is your carb requirement post workout. So suppose you're a 60 kg, your weight is 60 kg, so your requirement for carb post your workout is somewhere between 60 to 90 grams in that one meal. It definitely depends upon the kind of exercise that you're doing, the intensity of the exercise. So if you ask me what is the right combination of meals that you should take, make sure that you are combining carbs and protein in your post-workout meal. It will definitely help you to give the specific benefits of the nutrients. Also, insulin level secretion it improves if you're taking protein and carbs together. Let's talk about the other macronutrient other than protein and carb, which is fat. Fat is important, but not much in terms of recovery and replenishing your glycogen stores. Of course, carbs and protein are very important, but fat to an extent is equally important for its own good properties. Like vitamin absorption or functioning of hormones or insulation of your organs. A lot of protein comes naturally with fat. So if you're eating eggs, yolks contain fat, even the meat cuts contain animal fat, paneer comes with fat. So, and then whatever you're cooking, your cooking medium should be a fat. So use a good fat ghee or butter or extra virgin coconut oil to cook your meals. So that ways you do not have to over exceed your fat consumption, but then little bit is required. So these were the macronutrients. Let's talk about micronutrients and the sources of these micronutrients. So make sure that your meal, post-workout meal, should have a good amount of vegetables. Obviously, the vitamins will be provided to your body through vegetables. Add greens, add all colored vegetables, bell peppers, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, mushroom. So these are rich and rich and healthy vegetables. And vegetables are not just the source of vitamins, it also adds roughage in your meal. It simplifies your bowel movement, so it's very essential to have good amount of vegetables. I make sure that my post-workout meal usually is an Indian meal, and it is rightly placed with Indian cooked vegetables along with a carb source like roti or white rice or a bread and a protein source. So everything should be rightly placed, and that makes a complete and a balanced meal, not just for post-workout, otherwise also for a nice healthy well-being. So this was my take on a post-workout meal, how you should plan a meal if you are exercising, and how to plan it smartly that you can eat and enjoy the benefits of whatever efforts you're putting in the gym or at home or outdoor. So this was my few tips that helps me and my clients, and probably if you try to incorporate it, it will help you also. Next week we are going to talk about what you should take before your workout, what kind of pre-workout meal you can have before hitting the gym or before starting your exercise. So stay tuned with Diksha Chhabra Fitness, and like, share and subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends, share the information with your friends, share the channel link with your friends. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on my social media handles. My Instagram ID is dikshamalik.malik. My Facebook page is Let's Live with Diksha Chhabra. And you can always connect with me on these social media channels, and if you have any doubt, you can always ask me. So stay tuned to the channel and stay healthy. Bye-bye.